guys and welcome to my channel. I'm Nicole if you don't know me yet. So sorry for the way I look. I just got back from cross country and I basically died. But anyway, so today's video is basically we were in Palermo in Italy and we tried a few like Italian market foods. Did not go well, and then on top of that the boat was like tilting the whole time. Like the ocean was so rough that night, and that night I was actually thinking I'm gonna die. Like I was thinking of all the things I bought. I'm like, yeah, see, but what about my makeup palette, right? So if the boat crashes or whatever, I'll just take my makeup palette and I'll wear the clothes that I bought. And you know, I was like planning my escape plan. So yeah, enjoy the video.
Okay, so my mom and I basically finished eating breakfast and I'm just making like a face scrub. It's honey and brown sugar. You can find this on the MSC boats, which is really nice. Also, there's like police somewhere here circling us. So weird. But yeah, we're in Palermo. I'm on my way to my room to do the face scrub and I've given up completely on my voice. Like, speaking is so good. When I look down, I can't even get a word out. Okay, so my mom and I just finished getting ready and now we're going to the port to find out where we have to go, because we're going for like food tasting, or the thing says, like the description of the entire thing says tasting. So we're going to be eating or drinking stuff, I have no idea. So we're going to go to the port and try to find out where we have to go for it so long, because it starts at like 10, so we have enough time. It's like 45 minutes that we have to find out, so it's chilled and we'll probably connect to the Wi-Fi at the port, so yeah. Okay, so my mom and I just got off the ship and we're in Palermo right now, so yeah, it's great. Okay, so we found our guide for the tour, but we're going to get a coffee first because the tour only starts at 12:30, so there's like 10 minutes left. So we're gonna get a takeaway coffee in front here, and then we're gonna go back to the meeting point where the tour starts. So yay! Okay, so on the corner where we got the coffee, there was a Sephora. So I got the Fenty Beauty Glitter Bomb. Oh, no wait, it's not called that. It's called something similar to that. So I'm so happy because I really wanted it. So yeah. Right now we just at a market. I think we're gonna taste a few things and so on. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Cute.
The most important ingredient is...
Okay, right now we're just sitting like in the middle of the market and we're gonna have a few foods into the country and so on, like a few foods that are popular in the markets and so on. So we're gonna have a taste and see what it's like, and finally at the end of the tour I'm gonna taste a cannoli. I've always wanted to try a cannoli and we could never find them, so now finally I can try one, so I'm so excited for that.
The way people use to cook. Yeah. All of this, here we are where the two most important streets, Vittoria Emanuele Street and Makeda Street, cross. But the name of the square, inside, if you want, there is the toilet.
I'm gonna try a cannoli for the first time. Yay!
Because the church was built during
So this is the first time in my life I'm having a cannoli. I'm so excited. I've always wanted one and we could never find any, so yay! Okay, so we just stopped in Aldo, like we stopped in the shop Aldo, and I got these. I mean, is this not me as it can be? Come on, I love bows and I love like shiny things. So like, wow, I had to get it. It's so cute. Okay, so we went back to Sephora and earlier I got it was the diamond bomb that I got. not the glitter bomb, the diamond bomb. But now I got like eye cooling pads because I have really bad rings under my eyes and it's like really ugly. So it's reusable ones that you just put in the fridge and then you put them on your eyes for 5 to 10 minutes. And if they work, I'm going to be so happy because it's a problem that I've had for so long now. Okay, so we're going back to the boat because like we thought we were going to stay in Palermo for a bit longer, but it's like really cold and it keeps on raining and raining and my mom is freezing because she didn't wear her closed shoes. She wore like open shoes because she thought it was going to be warmer today. Anyway, so we're going back to the boat. I'm really hungry because like we went on a food tour thing, so I didn't eat as much this morning, but the food they have here is not that great, so I'm going to eat a lot on the boat right now. And then yeah, I think we're just going to chill on the boat the entire day because I mean we saw what we saw. It's okay, but it's like the poorest country in Italy or something, so it's not that great. So yeah, I forgot to mention the food. Okay, so we ate some things, right? I don't even know what the names are, but like no, it was like oily, like the oil was like drooping from it because it's market food, so it's like not restaurant food and whatever. But it was like really not for me. Like I did not like it at all. So I had like a bite of each thing to taste to say that I was like I've tasted it before, but it was honestly not for me. Okay, so we're back on the boat. I've tried a little bit of the diamond bomb, but like with my fingers, it's really pretty. But I'm gonna actually put it on like with a proper brush and everything, because I don't think my finger's doing anything really. So yeah, I really want to see what it looks like because it's so pretty. I love it so much, so it's like, I have to try it. But anyway, Rihanna, you did good. If only you guys could see this in person, like, oh my god, it's beautiful. Like, wow. I mean, it was quite expensive, but hey, it's beautiful. I love it so much. Also, I just discovered that the bows I bought from Aldo is not hair bows. They're for your shoes. But they're cute as hell, so. Okay, so I just went to the buffet and then there was like no one there. So then I went to the teen club and there was like 3 people there, but they're all Italian. So they understand absolutely nothing I say. So that was all good. So now I'm just going to the basketball court to see if something's maybe happening there. I don't know. I'm so sad. Okay, so there's nothing happening because all of the friends that I met have left the boat already, because like if you get on in a certain country, then you get off at the same place, and they all got on before me, and the new people that got on are like, you know, so yeah. I'm going back to the room now to see if my mom's there. She's gonna be my company now. Yeah, I want food, but it's awkward because I don't want to go and sit there alone, so I'm not gonna do that.
Somente 2 deles terão a possibilidade de participar desse sorteio para ir ao programa da televisão.
Yeah, I just came back from the Teens Club. I played some GTA, but they closed now and they're opening again at 8. So stupid, but anyway. I think at 7 we're going for the show. Oh, my name is upside down. And then after that I might go back there, but I'm not so sure. But we'll see. My mom and I are on our way to watch the show, but the ocean is so rough right now. So we're like walking like this, like this whole time. So it's so funny because I look so drunk. I was telling my mom the other day, if you get drunk on a boat and the sea is rough, does that mean you'll walk straight? metal or something. It's freaking me out. So the boat is literally moving so much that the doors are moving themselves. Yay.
Say hi.
Okay, so again, I'm back from the teenage club. I'm going to bed now. I'm like not feeling that well. I'm sick. It's not that I'm nauseous at all. It's just I'm really sick, so my head is like, ooh. So yeah, and I want to sneeze like the whole time. It's like I want to sneeze. I just hope this goes away so quick, honestly.
Thank you guys so much for watching, and just a reminder, please subscribe so that you don't miss out on the rest of my travel vlogs. And also, I'm really happy to be standing here today, not even over exaggerating. I was planning my escape plan, like everything, like okay, I'm gonna take my eyeshadow palette with me on the little escape boat, and I'm gonna wear my new shoes, and my guest handbag was gonna go swimming with me. Like, I'm just happy I made it till here. Like, that ocean was hectic. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. And remember to hit the thumbs up, and in the comment section down below, comment what you think. So yeah, thanks.